video, we'll show you how to reset the color settings on a Windows 11 PC or laptop. We'll guide you through the full process step by step so your display goes back to its default color configuration. Support us by like and subscribe to the channel for more helpful tech videos. To get started, right-click on the Start button and select Settings from the menu. Once Settings opens, click on System from the left panel, and then click on Display. Inside the display settings, scroll down until you find the Advanced Display option and click on it. On the Advanced Display page, you'll see your connected monitor listed here. If you have multiple monitors connected, all of them will appear separately. Click on your monitor and then select Display Adapter Properties for that display. A new window will open with your display settings. Inside that window, click on the Color Management tab, and then click the Color Management button. This will open the Color Management tool. Now click on the Advanced tab at the top of this window. At the bottom of the Advanced section, you'll find an option called Change System Defaults. Click on it. A new window will open. Click on the Advanced tab here as well. Now look for the option that says Use Windows Display Calibration and make sure the checkbox next to it is ticked. Once you've checked that box, click Close on all the open windows to exit out completely. Finally, click the Start button, press the Power button, and select Restart. Once your computer restarts, the color settings will be fully reset to their Windows defaults, and your display should look normal again. If this video helped you fix your color settings, please like the video, subscribe to the channel, and share it with others facing the same issue. Thanks for